Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn adjectives. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What are adjectives? Adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives makes the sentences better and even more interesting. They can tell about the shape, whether it's round or star shaped. They can tell about the size, whether it's tall, big, small or short. They can tell about the color, whether it's red or yellow. They can tell about the quantity, whether they are 6, 7, or any other number. They can tell how it looks, like bright, scary, beautiful, or colorful. They can tell how it feels, like hot, cold, soft, or hard. They can tell how it smells, like fresh, clean, or even stinky. They can tell how it tastes, like sweet, sour, or spicy. They can tell how it sounds, like loud or quiet. They can even tell you behavior, like nice, angry, or shy. Okay, so let's take a look at the simple and plain sentence, Kabir will ride his bike. Now I want to make this sentence a little bit more interesting, so I'm going to add an adjective to the noun bike. I will say, Kabir will ride his shiny bike. Shiny here describes how the bike looks. I got a frame for my room. Let's think how we can make the sentence a little bit more interesting. Maybe I can add an adjective to the noun frame. I can describe it how it looks. I can say, I got a pretty frame for my room. Comparative and superlative adjectives. There are positive adjectives that describe one thing, comparative adjectives that compare two things, and superlative adjectives that compare three or more things. Positive adjective that describe only one thing, like when I say Alina is a tall girl. The most common ways to add er to the adjective when we are comparing two things, or est when we are comparing three or more things. When it's comparative adjective, which means it's comparing two things, I add er. So I would say Alina is taller than Maryam. Superlative means comparing three or more things. So I can say Alina is the tallest girl. Here I add est to the adjective tall. Hold on, just like more rules in English, it has an exception too. The first exception is that when an adjective is more than 3 syllables, we add more or most. For example, I can say she is more responsible than her younger sister. I don't say responsibler because it's 4 syllables, so instead I add more to the adjective. The second exception is that some words simply don't follow rules at all. For example, when comparing the adjective good, I don't say gooder, I say better or best. Like that, I say worse or worst. For little, I use less or least. There are some more irregular adjectives like these. Okay students, Jazakallah, that's all for today.